Hello friends, today's topic, have caution about these highly appreciated 30 stocks. A report. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. With a rally in mid-cap and small-cap indices continuing without pause, some individual shares have rallied significantly in 2024. There could be further uptrend due to the continuous fund flow from the mutual funds. This is providing additional momentum for some stocks. Analysts are expecting certain stocks to slow down their momentum and maybe even face a correction in the coming months. As per analysts, some profit booking is likely in the short term once the Federal Reserve announces its rate cut in the week. As per an article in Economic Times newspaper, the following stocks have some red flags as per analysts. Red flags in stocks in Nifty Mid Cap 100 Index. 1. Rail Vikas Nigam returns in 2024 206%. 2. Oracle Financial Services 191% up in 2024. 3. Oil India 136%. 4. Policy Bazaar 128%. 5. Suzlon Energy 118% appreciation in 2024. Going further, 6 share is Indus Towers 115% up in 2024, 7 Kalyan Jewelers 102% up, 8 Dixon Tech 98%, 9 Voltas 96%, 10 Cummins India 93% up in 2024. The following are the red flags in stocks in Nifty Small Cap 100 Index. 1. Century Textiles returns in 2024 137%. 2. Glenmark Pharma 105% up. 3. Blue Star 99% up. 4. Natco Pharma 95% up. 5. NCC 90% up. 6. HFCL 79% up. 7. Raymond returns in 2024 77%. 8. Amar Raja Energy 73% up. 9. Apar Industries 72% up. 10. CAMS 66% up. Now, the following stocks have some red flags in Nifty Micro Cap 250 Index. Red flags in stocks. 1. Shilpa Medicare 167% up in 2024. 2. PG Electroplast 159%. 3. Time Technoplast 149%. 4. Nava Limited 149%. 5. Puravankara 143% up. 6. IFCI returns in 2024 141%. 7. Wockhardt 141%. 8. Newland Labs 137% up. 9. Gravita India 133% up. 10. Garware High Tech Films 133%. This warning is more important for investors who have bought certain stocks for short term, since analysts are usually concerned about the price movement in the short term. If you hold stocks for long term, then anyway it is expected that they will consolidate now and then over the years. At the end of the video, here is the question. The last few months, have you made some profits in the short term? If yes, type the amount in the comment section. If you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.